Hey guys, in this video I will be showing how to edit with kdenlive. It's a pretty good video editor. First of all, we need to add the clip. Here we can do this from here. You can see add clip option is present here, or instead you can do other way also. Navigate to your file first. As for example, I will be working with this one file. So let me simply drag it over the kdenlive window and here drop it. Okay, and again drop it to the timeline here. Okay, and if you need to cut this one clip at this position, then you can simply use a eraser tool from here. It's like scissor shape, you can see here. Okay, simply click on it and activate this one eraser tool and simply click here, or you can also do it other way. And one shortcut here, you can use Ctrl Z for undo, and I will hit Ctrl Z. And again you can do it in another way by disabling this one eraser tool option, and here right click on the clip, and then here you can find the option cut clip here. Or also you can do it other way. First of all, select the clip here, make sure the clip has been selected on timeline, and then go to menu option here, timeline, and here you will find option called current clip and then cut clip. You can use this way also. Again I will hit Ctrl Z in order to undo. Okay, and what if I need to resize this one clip to this one? Then simply you can drag this way, or you can also try it other way. For example, make sure the clip has been selected on timeline, and then again go to timeline menu option, and here you will find resize item start and resize item end. Resize item end, it will do the same thing. Make sure the clip has been selected on timeline, and in the same way you can also use resize item start. Preview the result. Okay, looking good. And how to delete this one clip from here? Then you can use either delete key button on keyboard, or either you can do it by select the clip and then right click on it, and here you will find the option delete selected item. Okay, again I will hit Ctrl Z. And the other thing we need to do, let me import another file also. Just drag me the file here. Okay, and again I will use the scissor tool to cut from here, and now I will disable the eraser tool, and let me delete this one clip by simply clicking the button delete on keyboard. Okay, here one things come, one important feature of kdenlive is spacer. It can add spaces to a group of clips. For example, I have activated now spacer tool. You can find here on the top of bottom on the top of timeline. You will find this one tool, and then see the magic happens. You can move a number of clips at the same time. And another thing here I need to do, let me again activate the selection tool here, and then I will right click it and I will cut this one, and again from here I will cut this one, and let me delete this one middle part here, and a gap is created between between these two one, but I need to align this one clip just next to this one clip. Then one way, it's actually the hard way to do, is simply dragging away there, but you can do it other way also. Just right click on the space, and here you will find an option called remove space, and now come to effects section here. Let for instance suppose that you want to reposition and zoom this one video. For this purpose you have here crop and transform tool, and there you will find position and zoom. So select the clip you want to the effect to apply, and then hit here. Okay, and here is for alignment for purpose, the icon are present here, and here you can set X and Y, or you can simply work here with here, you can decide this way, and for positioning you can simply drag here. Okay, and just work with chroma hold effect here, and first select a clip here on the timeline, and then click on this one effect chroma hold, and you can select the color here. For example, I will be selecting this one color here. Okay, and now select your variance here. Okay, hope you have mastered basic editing with kdenlive. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. Have a nice day.